Introducing the 2-in-1 Hybrid Coffee Brewer for K-Cup and ground coffee by Sboly. This compact, innovatively designed machine fits perfectly with any space. Simply fill the water reservoir and press the K-Cup or ground coffee button. Hybrid technology brews coffee quickly and at the perfect temperature. Enjoy your cup of tasty coffee in just 3 minutes. Easily clean the coffee machine every 2 months by simply pressing 2 buttons. Enjoy a fresh and pure coffee taste with a 2-in-1 coffee maker by Sboly. Now available with a vacuum-insulated coffee tumbler featuring portable hand and openable cap. Sboly. Easy brew, easy life.